guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video as promised, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I do hair videos, tutorials, tips, hairstyles, vlogs, everything. So make sure you're subscribed and comment down below what you guys want to see on my channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So today's video is going to be about scalp care and my scalp routine and what I do to make sure my scalp is healthy and how it contributes towards my hair growth. And yeah, let's get into the video. As mentioned before, I do have a hair care routine for hair growth specifically. I also make sure my diet is okay, such as 2 liters of water daily, and I do take hair supplements as well. But on top of that, I do make sure my scalp gets as much attention as possible. So today's video is all about the Growband Pro, and I'll explain all about it, show you guys how to use it, just everything about it. So I'm going to be opening the Growband Pro. Whilst I open it, I'm going to explain to you guys what exactly it is. So this is how it comes. It comes with an instruction manual kind of thing, and then it comes with the actual Growband Pro, the charger, the wire, everything that you need. So this is the actual Growband Pro. It's basically a device that inflates and deflates to help reduce the tension on the vortex of the scalp. So basically what it does when you put it on your head and connect it to the box, it basically inflates and deflates with air pressure. So it basically lifts the scalp at the front, the back and the sides of your head to basically reduce the tension at the top of your head. So I'm going to show you guys how this works. So I'm going to turn it on, set it up and everything. So this is the actual wire that you connect the headband to the actual box, which gets it to work and inflate, deflate and everything. You just connect the wire to the box first and make sure the wire is pushed right in so it works properly. And then you connect the other side to the actual Growband and make sure it's properly in so it can inflate and deflate properly with the knob. So this basically adjusts it to make sure it's on your head properly and it doesn't fall off. So this part goes at the back of your head. So it's nice and secure. So there is a switch at the top of the box and you just switch it on and it should come on like this. And then you press start. So what it's doing right now is inflating with air pressure, and then it holds it for a bit and deflates and holds it for a bit, and then it's just a repeating cycle. So you can leave the box just near you and you could do whatever you need to do, be on your phone, read a book, cook whilst you're getting your scalp massage. So I have tried this for, I'll say, more than a week, and I can say it's so relaxing and it's easy to use, easy to set up, very quick to set up actually, and it's convenient as well. You don't actually need to do anything yourself. So like right now I'm talking to you guys, doing a video whilst my scalp is being massaged, and it's very quiet as well, other than like a vibration sound. So how this works and how it benefits for hair growth, stimulating regrowth and taking care of your scalp. So like I explained before, what this basically does is inflate and deflate. So it basically lifts your scalp up and down at the front and sides. So what this does is it helps with regrowth, hair growth, stimulating hair growth and making sure your scalp is working properly and healthy by making sure your hair stem cells are receiving blood circulation and the blood is flowing properly, which then helps to receive oxygen and nutrients to ensure that your hair is growing properly. Because hair growth, the main 2 things that is needed for hair growth is oxygen and nutrients at the hair stem cells. So for best results, it's best advised to use the Growband Pro daily for 10 or more minutes. Also on the box it does allow you to adjust the timings of inflation and deflation, just in case you want to customize it for your own comfort. So for me, I like the pulses to be quite quick. If you use this daily, you're giving your hair follicles oxygen and nutrients that is needed for healthy hair growth. This Growband Pro is suitable for both men and women. It's suitable if you're experiencing hair loss, hair thinning, or you just want to grow out your hair, or you want to relax. So this Growband Pro is from Hairguard and they do ship worldwide, so make sure you check out their website. So if you want to purchase the Growband Pro, I will put a link down below in the description box, and I'll also comment down below a link, so make sure you click the link and you can see everything about the Growband Pro and how you can purchase your very own Growband Pro. So yeah guys, that's it from me today. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for many more videos. And comment down below what's your scalp care routine, what's your hair care routine, and what do you do for hair growth. And I'll see you guys in the next video.